Hello, world of YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, McMahon. That's it. Be Matchy like let you here. Another episode of It's Toys and Things, and today's video is going to focus on opening up a piece of Nicki and Isabel's collection. So, if you are unaware, American Girl recently released two new historical girl dolls. They are twins and they are from the year 1999. I know it doesn't seem so historical, especially when you lived during that time, and I think most of us probably watching this channel probably did. So yeah, so this is, like I said, American Girl's newest doll release, and it's kind of a big deal, being their American Girl's first ever twins, and of course being historical dolls located or taking place in 1999. I honestly didn't think that American Girl would release any sort of 90s doll until like at least maybe 5 years from now. I mean, they just did Courtney not too long ago, and she's 1986. So I'm thinking a 90s girl would probably been some years out from now. And I definitely didn't think they were going to make 90s twins, but here we are. So if you watched some of my shorts and my last YouTube video, I did go to the DC store. I took some videos and pictures of the displays and everything there. I brought a whole bunch of things. I did a haul, and this was the number one thing I grabbed as far as accessories went, because of the nostalgia of it. So American Girl did some licensing with Pizza Hut. So this is a real deal Pizza Hut set. It is from the Book It program. And if you're unaware, the Book It program was a reading incentive program. So you got this slip that's kind of pictured right there. I think you got it from your teacher, or you could pick it up at Pizza Hut. And it had a list of books, and then you would read the books. A teacher would sign off on it saying, hey, you know, such and such read these books, and then you would turn it in to Pizza Hut, and for in exchange for a one topping personal pan pizza. And then yeah, you would go to Pizza Hut and you would sit down and eat your little personal pan pizza with a drink, and apparently with Parmesan cheese and hot peppers, as it shows here, and even shows one of their little books, which I am told is actually a real deal 90s American Girl book. And then after doing that, you would get a Book It pen, and these Book It pens were like, they would come out in different styles and you would wear them, and they were just so cool. I actually do have two Book It pens I picked up on a secondhand market just for the nostalgia, like some years back, so even before this set came out, because I actually did this program as a kid, and that was kind of the only way I would even get Pizza Hut pizza as a kid, was doing this Book It program. Alright, so anyway, without further ado, let's just go ahead and dive in. We're going to take a quick look at the box. So we have a personal pan pizza, we have a spatula to pick up the pizza, we have a cardboard box of the pizza in the style that it would look. Oh, I'm sorry if there's a glare there. And then we have one Pizza Hut cup that would usually be filled with your favorite soda, a book, a Book It pen, and a Book It slip. So it does give you details, you know, saying Isabel and Nicki, 1999. The back, just the normal. The set does retail for $32. And then the sides look like it's normal. Your star here, your American Girl logo there, and that is about it. So let's get this open. So I already did cut the tape, so guys, you don't have to watch me struggle with that, but I'll probably still struggle opening with it, because these boxes are like really tight when you first get them before you start bending them and working them in. But anyway, let's dig up the fancy dancy paper, as I like to call it. So let's take a look. All right, the first thing that just happened to pop out is probably my most favorite thing in the whole set, actually, is this tiny Book It pen. Oh my god, just love it. And you know what, it just hit me, I really should have brought out my Book It pens that I was just talking about. I don't know why I didn't do that, but I do have originals of these, and they would actually kind of be hologramish. They wouldn't be just like really matte looking like that. They were kind of hologram or 3D kind of looking, and like I said, they would come out in different styles, so you can have more than one style and you can collect more than one. So there's the Book It pen. Let's see what we got next. We got the slip that your teacher would sign off on and that you would turn in to get your pizza. It says award certificate way to read. Congratulations, you have met your reading goal for the month. You have earned a free personal pan pizza from Pizza Hut. And then it gives the student name, the grade, the school name, and the teacher. So that's funny. Wow, I cannot believe that says that. Look, at the bottom, I'm going to try to show it to you guys. At the bottom, let me try to get it in focus here. It says for play only, not redeemable. You know what? When I see that, it makes me literally want to take this to Pizza Hut and ask, can I redeem it? Like, just for, giggles. Seriously. It would be funny. But it actually does say for play only, not redeemable. So, that's interesting. Alright, so next we have this American Girl Library Super Slumber Parties. I was told that this is actually a real book that American Girl had out in the 90s, and on the back it actually has that old 90s American logo. I was not collecting American Girl in the 90s. In fact, you could say I'm a new collector. I only started collecting when Courtney came out, so that's about maybe over 2 years now. So still new, but that's what it looks like. And then of course the back, like I just showed you earlier. And then we have the full book in mini form that honestly you would probably need a magnifying glass to read, because the writing is super small. Yep. And I have good eyes, and I'm not going to be able to read that, but real deal book, pretty cute. So we'll put that to the side. And next up we have the pan. So this is the, or I should say the tray or the pan that your pizza comes in. And I don't know why I did not bring my handy dandy box cutter to open up these bags, but because American Girl tape is like super hard sometimes to get off. Anyway, so this is the tray, plastic. Oh wow, they went hardcore. Yeah, it actually does say Pizza Hut on the bottom of the tray, and then it actually says 2023 American Girl. So that's really cute, super cute. So yeah, that is where your pizza goes. Because if you're unfamiliar with a Pizza Hut pan pizza, it's because they're like thick. The crust is thick up to the pan. Hence why it looks like that. Alright, so next up we have one of my favorite things to put on a pizza is Parmesan cheese. That's so cute how that looks. I think this right here is just awesome. Like, come on. It looks really, really cute. So there's that. Parmesan cheese for your pizza. Let's open up this next one here, and we have the iconic Pizza Hut glass that we all know and love. It says Pizza Hut. It's red. These glasses were actually really big. They were tall and they were wide. Usually, you wouldn't even need a refill on these glasses because they were that big, and they had a certain texture to them. And this cup actually does mimic that a little bit. There is a texture to it. Not, as a real deal one, but pretty close. So I think that is super adorable. Again, I know there have been questions asked about why doesn't the set come with two, since twins. But then I guess if you're thinking about that, you should probably say that maybe it should come with two pizzas as well. So we're just going to pretend that one of them does a good reading job and gets a pizza and the other one doesn't. So that's what we're going to pretend. Pizza Hut glass acquired. Now let's open up the other shaker. And the other shaker is red pepper flakes. Wow. Wow, I wonder what this is made out of. For some reason, I want to smell it. See, because it looks very realistic. So there it is, red pepper flakes. And you can see how they actually have a variety of colors in there to really mimic real red pepper flakes. So you got kind of like whites, yellows, really cute there. Super cute. Next up we have our handy dandy big old spatula, so we can lift our pizza slices with instead of just using our hands. So yeah, nothing special to say about this other than it definitely looks real, like spatulas from pizzas or pizza restaurants usually are long like this. Definitely a cute piece to add with this set. And now, people, we have the showstopper. So we have the Pizza Hut pizza box itself. This is made out of a cardboard type of material, not a cheapy cardboard, if that makes sense. Like you can hear it, it's not something that's like cheapy per se, and it's very nostalgic. Looks just like your 90s Pizza Hut box. Pretty awesome piece. And then inside, of course, we have the yummy pizza. Comes with 4, because it's a personal pan, comes with 4 fat triangles. And let's take them out and feel them. Wow. Wow, like, why does this look real? Like I'm looking at the cheese down there inside, that looks real. This has a certain feel to it. Honestly, I don't think I've really felt something like this before. Kind of feels rubbery, but not rubbery, vinyl. Doesn't make too much of a sound. Not plasticky. Really weird. Kind of really does mimic a real pizza. I'm really impressed, but the texture and the feel of these pizza slices is unique. So let's go ahead and just put the slices in there. This is making me hungry for a personal pan. And then let's take our little pizza spatula. That's funny. You can't even lift a slice out because it's like thick to the edge of the pan. Well, maybe we'll do this. Pretend to lift it up from this way. I don't know people that do that, but okay, we'll just do it for the sake of it. And here you go. Would you like a slice of pizza? Yeah. Can't get over the feeling of this. Almost feels like cooked cheese, like rubbery. Yeah, pretty cool. Really, really loving that. So let's put that together with our little shakers and our bucket pen and our cup. Bam. That is just adorable. Oh, one more thing's in here. It's a pamphlet. It says, keep it cheesy. And here it is. That's what's here's what's funny. Isabel has the glass and she has the pizza, so I guess they're gonna share one pizza. You know, 2 slices each and drink out of the same cup. Keep it, look, keep it cheesy and keep it cheap. Seriously. All right, so, um, oh, okay. So this is kind of new. Never seen something like this before. Just thought it would be a pamphlet or something, but it actually is a little activity. It says that you can fill in the blanks under each question. Give yourself lots of options, including silly ones. Choose a magic number, etc., etc. Then it asks you questions. So that's what it looks like there, and that's actually something that you can actually really fill out. Yeah, that's pretty cute. I would enjoy that. So, yeah, I guess that's the end of this video. There's really nothing more I can say, except for the fact that I'm quite impressed by this pizza. Oh, the pan does not fit in the box. Well, that would make sense. The pan is not supposed to fit, but the pizza slices obviously do. Look at me just playing around. Look at that. Super cute. Snap, snap. We're going to take home some leftover pizza and eat it for leftovers dinners, maybe, right? Like most people do. Pizza Hut cup. There we go. So, all in all, I would rate this set for a nostalgic factor, 10 out of 10. For a quality factor, 9 out of 10, I would say, for sure. I don't see anything really bad quality. For a detail factor, I am also going to give a 9 out of 10 because these little shakers are just killing me right now. Too cute. And the bucket pen and even the sheet that you would turn, or your teacher would sign after you got done reading your books. So, I would highly recommend you get this set, even if you didn't get anything else, even if you didn't even get the dolls themselves and you were like, I just want this, like for play with your other dolls or for play even with your other toys. Maybe have some action figures like my little cotton candy custom Grizzlor here. Maybe he wants a slice of pizza, or your little My Little Ponies like I have over here. Maybe she wants a slice of pizza. So all in all, I mean, even just having this box right here, like if you have Ninja Turtles, having this would just be awesome. Just this would be a great set for action figures, dioramas, the whole nine, not just for dolls. So I'm definitely going to 10/10 recommend this. Buy it now. Really love it, and at the cost of $32. Kind of pushing that price, but I would say just for the quality, the nostalgia, and the fact that it's very versatile to use with other toys, action figures, etc., etc. You know, I would say buy it. Buy it, buy it, buy it. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. If you enjoyed this video, definitely let me know. And let me know in the comments if you like Pizza Hut. What do you like, Pizza Hut or Domino's better? But I was a Pizza Hut girl growing up, so I'm going to have to say Pizza Hut on that one. But yeah, let me know about what you think of this set and what you think of the twins in general down in the comments. I do answer all comments. I just don't say that just to say that. I really do enjoy the comments and I do answer them. So, and I always flash my Instagram at the beginning of my videos, or most of my videos. If not, it'll be down below in the description box, so you can follow me there, where I do kind of like different things, on the go type of things, when I'm out and about doing toy shows and all that goodness. So, alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!